Hello, my name is Diane Wilson and I'd like to help you learn to use the conditional. So when do we use it? What are the four main types and how do we form it? The zero conditional is used for facts and situations that are always true. If water freezes, it turns to ice. Note the use of the present simple in the if clause and in the main clause. The zero conditional is also used for habits and patterns, for things that we do regularly. If I have enough money, I go to Samoa for a week every year. Again, note the use of the present simple in both the if clause and the main clause. And the zero conditional can also be used in the past tense. If it rained, they went by bus. Note the use of the past simple in the if clause and in the main clause. The first conditional is used for things that are highly likely to occur. If I see him, I will wave to him. Note the use of the present simple in the if clause and will plus the verb in the main clause. And we can also use the first conditional with modals and phrases like is going to. If we get there early, we can sit by the fire. Note the use of the present simple in the if clause and the modal can in the main clause, we can sit by the fire. Another example is, if he says that again, I am going to scream. The second conditional is used for events that are unlikely to occur. They are distant or less probable. If he got the job, we would move to London. Note the use of the past simple in the if clause and would plus the root verb in the main clause. And here's another example of the second conditional using could instead of would. If you came in the summer, we could visit the lake. Notice that it sounds like the past tense, but we are actually talking about a possible event in the future. The third conditional, however, is used for events that could have happened but did not. History cannot be repeated. If she had called me, I would have helped her. Note the use of the past perfect in the if clause and would plus have and the past participle in the main clause. And here's another example. If I had learned guitar, I would have been a rock star. Good luck with forming the conditional. Now make your own sentences for each type. If you understand how the conditional is formed and use it regularly, you will improve.